How you guys doing, and welcome to another Arc Garage video. If you want to see more Alfa Romeo related content, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you already didn't. Today I'm going to show you how to replace all of the front bulbs on your Alfa Romeo GT, but you'll also be able to see how to remove the indicators in case you need to remove them for some other reason, like to reseal them or something like that. To do this job properly, you're gonna need a plastic trim tool like this one and a small flathead screwdriver. I'm gonna start with this side indicator. I'm gonna take my small flathead screwdriver and I'm gonna put it all the way behind the indicator. Make sure that you position the screwdriver well. If you put it behind this transparent piece only, you will pop it off and you'll probably need to reglue it. Here it is. Here's how the main plastic clip looks like, and here's the plastic pin on the other side. Now to replace the bulb, all you have to do is unscrew it. As you can see right here, this bulb is in poor shape, and even though it still works, I'm probably going to replace it. Now to remove it, all you have to do is pull it out, and that is basically it. I'm gonna move on to the front indicator. For this part, you're gonna need your plastic trim tool. So I'm gonna push it down a little bit and I'm gonna pull it out. And there you go. Now to unplug the connector, you have to lift this safety clip just like this and pull the connector out. The indicator is held in place with these two pins on the top, and there are two more metal clips on the bottom, as you can see right here. Here's the second one. Again, to remove the bulb housing, all you gotta do is twist it off. Just like this, and to remove the bulb, push it in and unscrew it. Now I'm gonna move on to the headlight. It basically holds four bulbs, the one for the high beam, one for the low beam, the one for the fog light, and the small one for the side light. Now to gain access, we have to remove this plastic cover. Push these metal pieces to the sides, and now you can remove the cover out of the way. The first one I'm gonna remove is the one for the side light. It's this small bulb right here. Now to remove it, you have to pull out this plastic bulb holder. Make sure that you are extremely careful because these pieces are brittle and they can snap off. There we go. Now, just as pretty much with all of the other bulbs, to remove it, all you have to do is press it in and twist it off. Just like this. I'm gonna move on to the low beam bulb, which is this one right here. I'm gonna unplug the connector and move the wires out of the way first. Now to remove this metal clip, all you gotta do is push it in and to the left. And there you go. Now I can remove the bulb. Now this is the high beam bulb, which is H7 as well. I moved to the right side because it's easier to record. It's basically removed in the same way. I'm gonna undo the connector, get these wires out of the way, and I'm gonna undo this metal clip. Again, to undo it, all you gotta do is push it in and to the left. There you go. As I said, this high beam bulb is basically the same as the low beam, which is H7 55 watt. The last one I got left is the bulb for the fog light. It's located right behind this plastic cover right here. Now to remove the plastic cover, all we gotta do is turn it counterclockwise. I'm gonna pull the connector off. As you can see right here, it is different compared to the one for the low beam and the high beam. This one only has one wire, which is the positive, and it gets its ground basically from the housing itself. Now, as you can see right here, it's held in place by the same clip as it is on the low beam and high beam. And again, to remove it, push it in and to the left. And I'm gonna move the wires out of the way and I can remove the bulb. That would be all for this video. Hopefully you find it useful. If you liked it, hit the like button and support our channel by subscribing and by sharing our content with the rest of Alfa GT.